Let us solve a question on differentiation. This question was asked by a brother on WhatsApp. Question is, find dy upon dx if x square y plus y square is equal to x cube. We need to find out this derivative dy upon dx. Okay. So what will we do? We are being given x square y plus y square is equal to x cube, and we have to find this very derivative dy upon dx. First thing is, we differentiate both sides by x. Okay, so we can write in this fashion, that is d upon dx of this term, that is x square y plus y square, okay, is equal to d upon dx of x cube. Okay, we differentiate both sides by x. Okay, now what will happen here? So if I write it in this fashion, d upon dx of x square y plus d upon dx of y square, okay, should be equal to d upon dx of x cube. Okay, here two rules will be applied. First is the power function rule and the product rule. Okay, so we apply both rules here. If we want to take derivative of this x square y with respect to x, so we apply here product rule. That means what we write, first we write x square as it, so we write x square as it is, and take the derivative of second function, that means the derivative of y, plus we write the second function, that is y, and take the derivative of first term, that is rather first variable, that is x square. Okay, so this is here power function rule, sorry, this product rule, plus we have to take derivative of this d upon dx of y square should be equal to d upon dx of x cube. Okay, so let us take the derivatives. So we have x square, derivative of y will be with respect to x, it will be dy upon dx. Okay, plus y as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. We know if we have x raised power n, its derivative is n x raised power n minus 1. That means if we have x raised power 5, let us say its derivative is 5 becomes coefficient x as it is, and we subtract the exponent by 1. Okay, that is simple thing what we are doing here. So derivative of x square is twice x, plus we have the derivative of y square with respect to x. So again power function rule, we will have twice y and dy upon dx. Okay, the derivative of d upon dx of y square, it will become, so using power function rule, we have twice y, and since we are taking derivative with respect to x here, so this dy upon dx will be multiplied. Similarly, derivative of x cube will be 3x square by power function rule. So we can write it in this fashion. So let's write x square dy upon dx. Then we write this third term, that is twice y dy upon dx is equal to, then we write the 3x square minus, we transpose it to the RHS, it will get subtracted, so it will become twice xy. Okay, after that what will we do? Let us take dy upon dx common here, so we have dy upon dx. If we take it common, so we are left with x square plus twice y and it should be equal to this 3x square plus twice xy. Okay, after that we divide both sides by this term, or we transpose it, it gets divided. That means dy upon dx will become, we have 3x square minus twice xy, and this term will get divided. So we have x square plus twice y. So this, the derivative of this function with respect to x will be this derivative here. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.